Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make these beautiful dandelions. So these are basically the wild flowers which are fluffy, frizzy and beautiful to play with. We all might have played with this at some point in our lives. So let's make these beautiful dandelion for our walls today. So for that I have taken a canvas and a fluffy brush. I will be taking some black to make the background. I have chosen black as I wanted this painting to be very dramatic. If you want, you can take some blues, some whites, blue for sky, white for clouds, and this flower in front of it, or you can choose sunshine as your background or probably greens as your background. So once I've completed covering the entire canvas with black, I will be drying this canvas with the help of a hairdryer. Once that is complete, I am taking an angular brush and I am creating the stem. Now I have used a fluorescent green color. And I'll take some dark green on top of it. Once this part is done with the same brush, we will start to create the flower. So this would be the base at the center of the flower with white. And with a very small brush, I'll start to make the fuzz. So I've taken some brown. Some white over it. Some yellows over it. And some browns again. Now with a very fine brush, I'll start to create those fuzzy lines. You have to be very gentle with your brush here, as a little more pressure will create these fine lines into thick lines like this, which yes, later we can rectify it. So if this happens, just continue to move forward. We will correct this later. Now for the next part, we are taking a fan brush. We have taken little white on it and we'll start to create the outer part. So from forward, drag it down and create these fuzzy portions of the flower. I've used the very fine brush once again, and I'll take some black to create the center part again. I'll create few seeds in the center with the same black. Use some white. The detailing of the flower is very important, so you can just spend as much time as you need to make this very detailed. As my white stroke was pretty thick that time, I have covered it with black. And with the whites again, I'll just cover this part. This is the beauty of acrylics. These are so heavy bodied that you can overlap one color with the other and do any corrections at the end of the painting. So now with white color, I will be overlapping the green, the stem part, and apply fluorescent green again on it. And dark green now. Now with a fine brush, I will be creating those external fuzz. So this is the time you will make sure that the entire dandelion is rounded in shape. Now I will be creating few flyaways. here you will see that some are light in color, some are dark. So the dark are the ones which are in the front and the light are the ones which is in the background. Time for corrections now. The ones that are fat, I am taking a little of black to cover this part. Now I'll be taking a little of white again and extend the base of these flyaways. And I'll be taking a little of brown just to color the base. And also highlight the center of the flower. With some black, I'll overlap the colors once again. And now some white. The next part would be making some leaves. So I will be using my angled brush and starting from the bottom to top. I'm taking some green and I'm creating these leaves or the grass. Just highlight the stem as per your liking. And make this painting by signing your name. Make this painting yours by signing your name. Alright, so this is complete. Now let me remove the sides and it's all done. With a little white, I will be correcting the line. And this is all done. So I hope you like this painting. Kindly subscribe, leave a comment and like this video for more. Thank you very much for watching. You have a wonderful day then.